Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the Farr Digital Media. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about how to create an Amazon affiliate, but actually make money from this. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys do, hit that like button, subscribe, because we're almost at 50 subscribers. So let's go, like, subscribe, do what you guys do. If you guys have any passion about making money, subscribe, because that's what we talk about on this channel. And guys, let's jump into this. All right, so what is affiliate marketing? So for those of you that don't know what affiliate marketing is marketing that companies use to promote their products. Now, being an affiliate marketer is actually promoting products and earning commission on each product you sell. The reason why I personally love Amazon is because everybody knows Amazon. Amazon is the bread and butter. It's the leader of the e-commerce online. Everybody uses it. It's the most popular e-commerce store in the world. And so there's a lot more credibility behind it. So being an affiliate with Amazon is awesome because you can promote any product that Amazon sells. Any product you sell, you earn commission from. So the first thing that you guys are going to need to do is to open up an Amazon Associates account. This is completely free. All you guys have to go in is go to Amazon Associates and then fill out the sign up page. This is going to be a lot of your more basic information like your name, your address, and it will ask for some tax information. So, they will tax you at the end of the year, or you could actually have it run under a business, whatever you decide. Signing up for an Amazon Associates account can be a little confusing, but the biggest thing is just go step by step through it. Some people like to jump ahead, but don't. Now, after you guys sign up, the next step is to actually figure out what you want to talk about. So for me, there's really two main ways you guys can make money with Amazon Associates. The first way is going to through like a blog or Pinterest page. And then the second thing is going to be through like a YouTube channel. Both are absolutely fantastic. The biggest recommendation that I could give you is if you have confidence in front of a camera, talk about it. Talk about products. The reason why I say that is because it's going to give a face. It's going to give people something to see, watch. You're going to be able to voice your opinion about. So I want to talk about creating that niche because, you don't want to just talk about any product that Amazon sells. You want to have a niche that you are passionate about, maybe that you enjoy or something along those lines. These niches could be like arts and crafts. They could be painting. They could be, cars. They could be almost anything, fitness. I've seen so many great niches out there, but find one that you have passion about, even gaming. So after you guys figure out what you want to talk about, I would highly recommend opening up every pretty much social media platform that you could think of. Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, everything you guys can think of, and start creating content. Creating content is super important. And the reason why I say that is because people want information. People go on social media for two things: entertainment or education. And if you can be like a hybrid between the two and talk about products and talk about things that you've used and give referral links, you can make great money. Now, for me, one of the biggest things that I did when I first started creating content with my face is I was lacking clicks. Honestly, I wasn't selling a lot, but what I started doing is doing call to actions every single video. So what I would say is if I was doing a camera review, I would say, if you want this camera, click the link down below. Now, doing that will help people go, oh, I want that camera. I'm just going to click that link and save the time. Doing that will help really convert with sales. So let's actually look at another way. We're going to turn to the computer and look at another way to make money. And this is going to be through a blogger account, which is just a blog. So let's go. All right, so having a blogger account is super cool because it's completely free and you guys can have several different blogs. This is a blog me and my wife are on called the Farr Fam. What we talk about is lifestyle and like stuff like that. Lifestyle, travel, it's a little hybrid between the two, but more recently we've been making a good amount of money off referrals from gift ideas. We've been writing blogs, as you guys can see, last minute gifts for teens, best Christmas gifts for moms, top Christmas gifts for your husband. So let's go to this one so you guys can kind of see how it works here. So what we did is we wrote out all of this. We actually put a picture with a bunch of different images from the blog right in here so people can kind of see how the blog is and what products that we're likely to talk about. As we scroll down here, this one here is for the tech savvy guys. So my wife actually wrote all this out. It looks great. But more importantly, if you actually wanted to purchase this, all you do is click this link and it brings up this page. But how do you do that? It's very, very simple to get that link. What you guys need to do is log in to Amazon. Log into Amazon with the account that you made with Amazon Associates. There's going to be a link up here where it says get link, and then you guys can click get short link or full link. Just do get short link. You're going to want to copy that. Now for each product you sell with that link, you're going to earn commission from. You also could do this via Pinterest, where you actually make Pinterest boards about all of this stuff. So if you guys were like top Christmas gifts for your husband that he will love, make a Pinterest board of that. People click it. This one here has been our highest grossing blog, and it's basic. It's not overwhelming. It's just giving a list that people want, and that's how you make money with Amazon Associates. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this. If you guys did, hit that like button, subscribe, and guys, Amazon Associates is just like most things. You just got to be consistent, post content that people like. So guys, hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.